Hello my loves, so it is officially 1 year since we first saw this house. Today is the anniversary of the day we took Wilson's parents to come see this house because we really liked it. So much has changed in a year, and this will probably be the last vlog I make of the house renovation before we actually move in. Everything is gonna happen in this video, and the next time you see me, we'll be moving in. I realized I didn't show too much detail in the last video, so I just wanted to show a little bit of updates, a little bit more detail in this video. Love it. So much room for skincare. I'm gonna be doing skincare videos in here with this lighting. Wow, look at this. That's my first time using this water. So there's still a lot of details that need to be finished in our bathroom, but I feel like it's 90% there. It's looking really good. My vision has come to life and I am so happy about it. Today I met with the guy who's gonna do our shower glass doors, so we were just measuring it and talking about that. But yeah, I think that's the last thing we need to put glass and then fix up little details here and there, but it's mostly done. Great, the handles. This is gonna be one of the last times this room's completely empty. Ooh. It turns out that the first room that is going to be finished is actually our living room. Yesterday, they finally wrapped up the project of our new TV wall cabinet situation, and today our couch and rug are being delivered. So basically last night Wilson and I stayed, we cleaned this whole room, we like mopped a few times, and after we cleaned out everything, this room just felt so like a real home, because this whole time this place has been like a construction site and it's been messy and dirty. I even went into the fireplace and vacuumed the fireplace. I wiped everything down just so that this room, it just feels like a home now, and I'm excited for our couch to come in and we're gonna start opening furniture for this room. We basically have our furniture in boxes ready to open and set up, like coffee tables, side tables and stuff. I'm just feeling really grateful because the house is coming together very beautifully, and I'll just like have moments where I'm just like stopping, looking at everything and be like, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. This is literally my vision come to life. And it's funny that when things are done and they're so pretty, you forget like the drama and the chaos and all the craziness that went into the process of it. You're just enjoying it. So I think you kind of forget and you take things for granted. But yeah, there definitely was a lot of work leading up to this point. Okay, now that I have this wider lens on the camera, let me show you the bathroom, because I feel like you can see more in tight spaces with this lens. Everything's basically done. We're just waiting for the shower glass door, but I love our minimal tile. It's beautiful. Eventually we're gonna remove those little legs on the bottom. It's just there for support before we can reinforce this vanity a little more. This shower, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just walked into the laundry to check on it and I just noticed this snail. How do you get here? Like the back can be here, but I think the couch will hang off a little bit. How do you feel? You're the first one to sit on the couch.
Very good.
Our carpet's getting put in tomorrow, so we're just spending the day vacuuming everything, cleaning, just making sure there's like no more dust because this house is so dusty. That's why I'm wearing a mask. The last time we were vacuuming with Wilson and it was so dusty that like I got like a throat irritation. So anyway. Beautiful. Now it's ready. Oh my god, I just made a bunch of ice and I was not ready for it to make ice. I meant to like wash them properly. Okay, I need to figure out how to turn it off. I don't know if you can see it from this far away, but there are cows on that hill. Around this time, you see cows grazing. That's a pretty rare sight in LA, I would say. So I love that I get a little nature and a little city. Our couch is here, the rug is here. We opened some furniture, not all. Isn't this chair so cute? I just thought it was so cute. I actually had no place to put it, but I bought two because it's too cute. We got 6 cabinets. We got an exposed shelf. This one here is a hidden cabinet. So I bought some LED lights to put under our kitchen cabinets. And because I don't want to have to like hardwire it, I bought smart plugs so that I could plug them into like hidden outlets in the kitchen. And then because we have like a smart TV and we can use our phones, like you could basically use either your phone or your TV to turn on the lights. So that's my plan. Let's see if it works out. So for example, this light would go somewhere here, and then we would wire it into the plug for the oven, which is in here. Also, the reason I didn't want to hardwire these lights is because our kitchen has like multiple sections. There's like 5 sections total that are disconnected. And if you wanted to wire them all together to one switch, you would have to like cut open walls, go from like there, connect it to there, go through that wall, connect it to here, and connect it to here. And I just thought that, I don't know, it just did not make sense. So I needed a wireless, smarter solution. Okay, nice. Okay, I've added the plug on my phone. Ooh. Okay, so the light's over there. I think I found it. It's called outlet 1. Woo! Nice. Wilson, look. I bought cabinet lighting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What do you do?
And I'm gonna connect them together as a group. I bought smart plugs for all of them, and then you can turn it on with your phone and the fridge. I feel so accomplished right now. Let there be light. Woo! So I have 5 lights that are now all controllable on my phone and on the fridge. I'm very proud, and I think the lights look beautiful because I love that look where it's just like cabinet lights. Like I like the mood lighting vibe. Woo! Let's do it on the fridge. Oh yeah, I can just turn all the lights on and off at the same time. Morning, we are here bright and early because our bed is getting delivered. So updates, we have carpet now and it feels like a home. Also, our shower glass got installed. It's coming together. We're looking to move in next week. We have like a big move-in day planned. We're moving more furniture from the warehouse here, and that will be the final big move. So almost there. It has arrived. They just set up the bed frame. The mattress is going to breathe and expand. It's nice. All right, what you see on the floor here is our custom closet for our master bedroom closet. And now we're opening each box, and eventually we're gonna have to build this closet.
I was like, I don't know Chinese, but
Use your
maybe.
smarts. Now you gotta use your noggin.
What was it say again?
Left ceiling plate.
Could that be a drawer? The front.
Yeah,
the
this one
drawer.
says middle.
No, that's too.
Just because you could read two? Oh, I know, this one says one.
There's been a storm in LA for the past few days and it's been raining nonstop. It's honestly like super cold in here because our heater does not work. But anyway, I'm so happy I got to share a lot of progress in today's vlog. Our house more and more feels like a home. Like the living room is done generally. Our bed is in. Like we can technically move in at this point, and we're actually planning to move in exactly 1 week from now. But yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog with why I'm sharing all of this. I know that this series has been less popular on my channel because it is different. I don't usually share like my personal life on this channel as much as like my tips and resources, but it was a special process for me. In the future, I'm gonna look back and be like, oh yeah, that was a chapter of my life, and that's a chapter that I want to remember. And I have these vlogs to remember us building our first home. Like this is the first home that Wilson and I bought, and it's the first home that I completely designed. Like that's the thing. I think what I'm so proud of about this house that I want to share through these videos is like me as a creative. This was me stepping out of my usual field of creativity because I'm a digital content kind of person. It's me stepping out of that bubble to use my creativity, like to explore my creativity in another field, another facet. So I was the interior designer. I literally handpicked, kind of designed and measured out everything in this house, from this door to the countertops to like so much of the house is custom. It was Wilson and I's first time doing a lot of this. I'm proud of us for doing it. We're definitely a good team because I'm the designer, visual person. Like I can envision it and I can put the vibe together, but in order to execute it, I need his ability to like manage people and get work done. I don't think I would be able to have done this by myself. Like I honestly am so grateful for Wilson, also for Wilson's dad, just for the people that we had in our lives that helped us, like friends, referrals, this and that. But anyway, this was a very special experience. This home already feels very special to me because it is everything that I envisioned on my vision board. Boom, like this is the result of it. And I think that's a beautiful thing. So my channel is about how to create your dream life, documenting the process of me creating my dream life and sharing all the lessons that I've learned along the way. So I thought that this series was pretty relevant because a big part of my dream life is like this new chapter of buying my first house and also designing my dream space, because I got the opportunity to envision what is my ideal life and what is my ideal space. Like I'm not here to brag. I don't want to come off as like, I don't know. I just know everyone has their own circumstances, but what I'm trying to share is you have the power to design something beautiful within your circumstances. You have the power to design like your ideal life. And I'm always trying to shoot for like the biggest dreams, and I encourage everyone to shoot for the biggest dreams. But obviously the biggest dreams might not be accessible right now. You might be able to just dream within the confines of what you have in your life right now. As you grow, as you develop your career or whatever, be intentional about everything in your life. Your space and your environment is a big part of your life. It impacts you and influences how you feel. And this whole time, I'm 33 years old. I've been living like at my mom's house, and which is fine. Like I love living with my mom, but there was another side of me that wanted my own space, that wanted to design my space for me instead of like have to live within her space and her confines. And so yeah, that's what this house is. It's Wilson and I stepping into our own space. I feel like more of an adult now. I'm excited for the new energy that we bring in here and the new memories we make and the new chapter of our lives that we are entering, because I believe like anytime you move, you're in a new environment, like literally your life chapter is like, it's a new chapter. I'm gonna do bigger, better things in this house. I know it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting this channel and being a part of my dream life, because you genuinely are an important part of my dream life. Me on this journey starting Lavendaire 10 years ago, like I've been sharing my dream life process this whole time, from someone who was like super lost and confused and didn't know how to make something of herself and something of her life, to now like I am so proud of what I've created, and I still feel like I'm at the very beginning still. So the first chapter was like me figuring out how to do something creative that I love while making a living doing it. The next chapters were like healing, learning self-love, self-discovery. And then now's the next chapter of like, I feel like I know my purpose. I have a solid foundation. I have a pretty good business that I'm proud of, but I'm ready to see how to expand it to the next level, create a bigger impact, find more joy, just be more of my authentic self and live freely without the pressures, without the expectation, right? I don't have to be anything. I don't have to do anything. I could do nothing for the rest of my life and still feel good about it, right? But also knowing that I have this like light, right? We all have a light. We all have something in us that's guiding us in a certain direction. And all I have to do now is follow it. Like there's no other high expectation. There's nothing I need to achieve. There's nothing I need to accomplish. It's just follow that guidance, follow that energy, follow that light, and it will lead you to beautiful places. And of course, enjoy the journey along the way. Be grateful along the way. And I feel like I am living an abundant life because of just everything I've learned and just because of this mindset that I have now. All right, sending you so much love. I'll share more of those insights in another video for you. See you in the next one. Bye.